Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of misery. A state or feeling of great distress or discomfort of mind or body. For example, she went upstairs and cried in misery. American pronunciation. Misery. Misery. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Misery. Say. Misery. Misery means state or feeling of great physical or mental distress or discomfort. Misery. Misery. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. They are the anti-heroic instigators of death and destruction, misery and suffering. Now, repeat after me. They are the anti-heroic instigators of death and destruction, misery and suffering. The second practice. The patriarchal family was held to be the main source of children's miseries. Now, repeat after me. The patriarchal family was held to be the main source of children's miseries.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.